Hey, welcome back to my channel. Dorman 620005 Engine Cooling Fan Assembly. This engine cooling fan assembly is precision engineered to match the fit and performance of the stock radiator fan on specific vehicle years, makes and models. It has been rigorously tested to ensure it cools as effectively as the original part. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Chrysler 300M, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, Chrysler Concorde, 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, Chrysler LHS, 1999, 2000, 2001, Dodge Intrepid, 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. Ideal replacement. This engine cooling fan assembly was precision engineered to match the fit and performance of the stock radiator fan assembly on specific vehicles. Complete package assembly is designed with the same materials and components as the original part. Quality assured. Motors are tested in laboratory settings to ensure performance. Cost-effective and reliable, trustworthy manufacturing for far less than same part at the dealership. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.